Hello everyone, Freedom 250 and US Nigeria Corporation, empowering Nigerian youth through alumni leadership. My name is Dr. David Olubenga Adetitun. I'm a Fulbright and USGAN alumnus. I'm based in Kwara State, Nigeria. As the United States commemorates Freedom 250, marking 250 years since the signing of the Declaration of Independence in 1776, the celebration extends beyond a reflection on history. It is an opportunity to reaffirm the enduring values of freedom, opportunity, innovation, civic engagement, and international partnership. For those of us who have participated in the U.S. government exchange programs, Freedom 250 also serves as a reminder of our responsibility to translate these ideals into meaningful action within our own communities. As both a Fulbright scholar and a proud member of the U.S. Government Exchange Alumni Association of Nigeria, USGAN, I have experienced firsthand how educational exchange programs can transform lives. More importantly, I have witnessed how alumni can become catalysts for sustainable development long after their exchange experiences have ended. One area where alumni can make an even greater impact is youth empowerment. Nigeria is blessed with one of the youngest populations in the world. This youthful demographic represents tremendous potential, but it also represents significant challenges. Unemployment, underemployment, limited access to quality education, digital skills, gaps, and inadequate entrepreneurial support continue to affect millions of young Nigerians. These challenges require innovative, collaborative, and sustainable solutions. This is where U.S. Nigeria Corporation has proven invaluable. Over the years, U.S. exchange programs such as the Fulbright Program, the Mandela Washington Fellowship, the International Visitor Leadership Program, the Humphrey Fellowship, and other educational and professional exchanges have equipped thousands of Nigerians with world-class knowledge, leadership skills, and global networks. The true value of these programs, however, lies not only in the experiences abroad, but in how alumni apply their knowledge at home. Across Nigeria, alumni are training entrepreneurs, mentoring students, improving healthcare systems, conducting research, strengthening civic society, promoting peace, and advancing educational excellence. Every successful community project demonstrate that international partnerships can produce lasting local impact. As alumni, we occupy a unique position. We understand both Nigerian realities and global best practices. This enables us to bridge gaps between ideas and implementation. We can introduce innovative teaching methods, promote evidence-based decision-making, encourage entrepreneurship, and inspire young people to become problem solvers rather than passive job seekers. In Kwara State, I have seen the value of investing in young people through educational initiatives, mentoring, entrepreneurship training, and community engagement. When young people gain practical skills alongside academic knowledge, they become more confident, employable, and capable of creating opportunities for others. Empowerment should therefore move beyond certificates to include innovation, digital competence, financial literacy, environmental responsibility, and leadership development. Freedom 250 also reminds us that freedom is closely linked to opportunity. Political freedom alone cannot unlock a nation's full potential without access to quality education, economic opportunities, and institutions that encourage innovation. Every young Nigerian who gains the skills to start a business, secure meaningful employment, or solve community challenges contributes to a stronger and more prosperous societies. Another important lesson from US-Nigeria cooperation is the power of volunteerism and community service. Many exchange programs encourage participants to give back through community projects. This culture of service should remain a defining characteristic of alumni networks. Small initiatives, when multiplied across hundreds of alumni, can produce extraordinary national impact. Looking ahead, alumni associations such as USGAN can further strengthen their contribution by promoting collaborative projects across states, encouraging interdisciplinary partnerships, supporting youth innovation hubs, expanding mentorship programs, and leveraging digital platforms to reach underserved communities. Collaboration among alumni often creates greater impact than isolated individual efforts. As we celebrate Freedom 250, let us remember that the most meaningful tribute to freedom is not simply remembering history, but investing in people. Every scholarship awarded, every student mentored, every entrepreneur supported, and every community transformed represents a practical expression of the values that exchange programs seek to promote. The friendship between the United States and Nigeria has already created thousands of ambassadors for positive change. The next chapter should focus on multiplying that impact through stronger alumni engagement, deeper collaboration, and a renewed commitment to empowering the next generation. Freedom flourishes when knowledge is shared, opportunities are expanded, and communities work together toward a common future. That is the enduring promise of US-Nigeria cooperation, and it is a legacy worth building for generations to come. So, I have given you this at this time, and this is to say I want to thank the US government for supporting me on this Fulbright Scholarship Award. I want to thank you and I want to appreciate you. So, every one of us with on 250 and US-Nigeria cooperation empowering Nigerian youth through alumni leadership. My name again is Dr. David Olugbengade. I'm a Fulbright alumnus, and I'm a member of USGAN, and I'm based in Kwara State, Nigeria. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.